Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a landing page in Wix AI. If you're building a website with Wix AI, creating a dedicated landing page is one of the best ways to capture leads, promote a product, or run marketing campaigns. A landing page is designed to focus on a single goal, whether that's getting signups, sales, or clicks. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on Wix. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the website you created using Wix AI and launch the site editor. When the editor loads, look toward the left-hand side panel where you'll see different options for customizing your site. From here, click on Pages and Menu. This section allows you to manage all the pages on your website, including adding new ones. Inside the Pages and Menu panel, click on Add Page. Wix will give you different types of pages you can create. Look for the landing page option. Wix AI often provides pre-designed templates or layouts specifically for landing pages, optimized for conversions and clean design. Select the landing page option, then click on any of the templates provided, and Wix will automatically generate a new page within your site. Once the page is created, you can rename it to match your purpose. After naming your page, click on it to start editing. Now you can customize the landing page content. Since landing pages are focused, you'll typically want to include a strong headline, a short description or value proposition, or a call to action buttons. If you want the landing page to stand alone, you can also adjust its visibility in the Pages and Menu section. Go to the landing page then, click on the three dots, and go to Settings. From that, select the Layout page and click on the No Header and Footer section. You can also change the background of the landing page to your liking from any of the images provided below or import it from your gallery. Once you're done customizing, click the Publish button to make your landing page live. Your landing page will now be accessible through its URL and ready to use for marketing, ads, or promotions. To summarize, creating a landing page in Wix AI involves going to the Pages and Menu section, adding a new page, selecting a landing page template, customizing the content, and publishing it. Keeping the page simple and focused helps improve conversions and achieve your goal. And that's how to create a landing page in Wix AI. By using the Pages and Menu section and customizing your content, you can quickly build a high-converting page for your campaigns. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.